No way to sugarcoat it. Today is the very worst day that we have had for reporting on the spread of the coronavirus, and it is the deadliest day that we have had. Today, we're reporting 4,151 new cases of the coronavirus. This is exponential growth. Remember how we talked about it taking 7 odd months to have our first day of 1,000 cases, about a month and a half to have our first day of 2,000 cases, about a week or so to have our first day of 3,000 cases. And guess what? Here we are at 4,151 cases. That's the highest number we have ever had. And today, it includes 461 kids. It's 461 of our Kentucky kids, most of them school age, who are infectious with this virus right now. We are thinking about them. We hope that most of them are asymptomatic. We are fortunate that we've identified who is positive on all 4,151 so that hopefully they are taking the steps not to spread this virus any further. We're now up to 183,168 cases since March the 6th. So today is a record number of cases, 4,151. Record number of kids under 18 testing positive, 461. Record number of people currently hospitalized for COVID-19 in Kentucky, 1,777, up 36 from yesterday. Today, we have a record number of people in the ICU because of COVID-19 at 441, up 20 from yesterday. And today, we have a record number of people on a ventilator fighting for their lives because of COVID-19 at 241. That is up 12 from yesterday. And today, we have a record, at least from May 5th, when we were able to start ramping up testing, of our positivity rate now at 9.59%. Put simply, today is a terrible day that shows us how quickly this thing is spreading and shows why it is so important to take steps to stop it before it gets any worse. New cases by county. Jefferson County with 700 cases. Our heart goes out to the residents of Jefferson County. Until recently, I was a resident of Jefferson County. We are thinking about you, and we're going to be there for you. Fayette County, 238. McCracken County, 172 cases in McCracken County. Warren County, 148 cases. Kenton, 126 cases. Hardin, 120 cases. Davis, 119 cases. Boone, 102 cases. Madison, 97. Laurel, 89. Oldham, 80. Campbell, 73. Christian, 72. Hopkins, 67. Marion, 62. Bullitt, 61. Lincoln, 56. Nelson, 55. Hart, 54. Pike, 51. Montgomery, 50. Carter County, 49. Clay County, 49. 48 in Barron and Graves. 44 in Pulaski. 41 in Greenup. 39 in Magoffin. 38 in Marshall. And the list goes on and on and on with numbers that I haven't read yet. You go down 7, 8 counties. Franklin County with 28. Harlan County with 25. It's all on kycovid19.ky.gov. But it means that there is a huge amount of virus spreading rapidly in every county across the Commonwealth, which means it takes all of us doing our part in a concerted effort if we are going to slow this spread and save lives. If we don't work in a concerted effort, if we don't all do our part, if we try to be the exception, then slowing down this thing won't work, and we will lose a lot more Kentuckians who we love and care about. If you need more convincing, today, the deadliest day with 35 new deaths. For people in their 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. And it's a long list. 70-year-old man from Boyd County. 75-year-old man from Callaway County. 82-year-old man from Christian County. 96-year-old woman from Davis County. 95-year-old woman from Graves County. 66-year-old man from Grayson County. 79-year-old woman from Grayson County. 57-year-old man from Grayson County. 86-year-old woman from Grayson County. 93-year-old woman from Henderson. 87-year-old man from Hopkins. And a whole lot from Jefferson, including a 77-year-old woman, 76-year-old woman, 72-year-old man, 61-year-old woman, 80-year-old woman, 64-year-old woman, and a 64-year-old man, 73-year-old man, 94-year-old man, 64-year-old man, 77-year-old woman, 66-year-old man, 62-year-old man, 60, all of those just from Jefferson County. 62-year-old woman from Jessamine, 76-year-old man from Kenton, 79-year-old woman from Marshall, 66-year-old woman from Mason, 64-year-old man from McCracken, and a 59-year-old man from McCracken. 88-year-old woman from Monroe, 64-year-old man from Monroe, 65-year-old man from Montgomery, 93-year-old woman from Robertson, and an 82-year-old man from Union County.